I'm KTIV's Nick Filipowski. Get ready to ruffle some feathers, the mother bird of all mud runs, the Dirty Bird Mud Run, Saturday, September 28th at Ponca State Park with 15 fun and challenging obstacles along the banks of the mighty Moat. Besides the 5K run for adults, there's a family-friendly kids course, so go ahead and bring the whole flock. Be an early bird and register today at dirtybirdmudrun.org. All proceeds benefit youth programming at the Norm Waite Senior YMCA. The Dirty Bird Mud Run, September 28th, sponsored by KTIV.